Now differentiating with respect to x implicit function, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. These are the values of x, y and z. Just cancel the terms which gets cancelled. Here numerator sin square, in the denominator cos square, sin square by sin square gets cancelled. 1 over cos square is secant square. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding 2 mark questions. So we are discussing in the previous class, we have discussed it regarding 1 mark questions for the model paper. So from that model paper, today I am going to discuss 2 mark questions, and in the next session I am going to discuss regarding 3 marks question. Now let me discuss regarding 2 mark questions in this model paper 21-22. Now let us come to the first question. Question number 16, 2 marks question. So in this you are going to answer for 10 questions. Now let us come to the first problem. Show that the signum function f from R to R is given by, they have already given the signum function f of x is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0, is neither 1 1 nor onto function. So you are much familiar with this problem. The signum function is neither 1 1 nor onto function. Now here given, what is given? Given that, given f of x is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0. Now we have to verify this is either 1 1 or onto function. Just verify 1 1 function. Now let us verify 1 1 function. Now 1 1. What is the 1 1 function? For all x1 x2 belongs to R, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. This is the condition. Now let us consider let 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Let us consider 1 and 2 belongs to R. Now what is f of x here? So f of x is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, f of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 if f of x is equal to minus 1 if f of x is less than 0. So f of x, that is f of 1 is equal to 1, and similarly f of x, that is, let us call it as x1, this is x2, f of 2 is also equal to 1. So that means here f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that is 1 is equal to 1, but x1 is not equal to x2, 1 is not equal to 2. So here x1 is not equal to x2 implies f of x1 is equal to f of x1. So therefore f of x is not 1 1 function. This is not 1 1 function. F of x is not 1 1 function. So here let us consider any 2 elements. 1 comma 2 belongs to R. F of 1 is equal to 1 and f of 2 is also equal to 1. x1 is not equal to x2 implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Therefore this is not 1 1 function. This is not 1 1 function because this condition is not satisfied. Right. Now let us come to the second part. Second part is to prove that, to verify onto function. To verify onto function. Okay. Now write down the range. What is given? Given function f of x is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0. Just write down the range of this function. The range of f of x, the range of the function f of x is equal to minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. This is the range, and this is not equal to R. Right. That means the range of f of x, the range of f of x is not equal to codomain. This is not equal to codomain. That is, the range of f of x is not equal to codomain. That means definitely f of x is not onto function. This is not onto. Now what do you say? F of x is not onto and not 1 1 means therefore f of x is neither 1 1 nor onto function. So therefore f of x is, we can say, therefore f of x is neither 1 nor onto function. That's it. So f of x is neither 1 nor onto function. That's it. Okay, 2 marker. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next problem. These are all very important problems. Find the value of tan inverse root 3 minus secant inverse 2. Now let us write down first what is the value of tan of, so the value of tan 60 degree. Tan 60 is nothing but pi by 3. Tan 60, tan pi by 3 is equal to root 3, and you know the value of secant 60. Secant 60 degree, secant pi by 3 is equal to 2. Right. Now listen to me. Now we know the values of tan pi by 3 and secant pi by 3. What is tan pi by 3? Root 3, and secant pi by 3 is equal to 2. Now the given equation is tan inverse of root 3 minus secant inverse minus 2. Now what is the value of tan inverse root 3? So tan inverse root 3, this implies tan inverse root 3 is equal to pi by 3. So this is pi by 3 minus. So this secant inverse of 2, since it is negative, so this can also be written as, since secant inverse is negative, therefore here we are going to consider it as pi minus pi by 3. So we know this, since cos inverse of minus x is also equal to pi minus cos inverse x. So therefore, so secant inverse of 2 is equal to pi by 3. Secant inverse of minus 2 is pi minus pi by 3. Simplify this. So this is equal to pi by 3 minus, take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi by 3. Again take LCM, 3 is the LCM, pi minus 2 pi, that's equal to minus pi by 3. So the required answer for this is minus pi by 3. That's it. Minus pi by 3 is the required answer. Okay. See here, listen to me. Just tan, we know what is tan. Tan pi by 3 is root 3. Tan of secant of pi by 3 is equal to 2. Now this is positive, as it is you can keep tan inverse, the principal value of tan inverse of root 3 is pi by 3 minus secant of minus 2. Since secant of 2 is equal to pi by 3, so this is cos inverse of, you know the formula, cos inverse of x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. So this can also be written as secant inverse of minus 2 can also be written as pi minus secant inverse of 2, that is pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Now take LCM, 3 is the LCM, pi minus 2 pi is again minus pi by 3. So the simplified answer for this is minus pi by 3. Now let us come to the next problem. Since what is the equation given? Y is equal to tan inverse of x. Given f of x is equal to tan inverse of x. Now for tan inverse x, yes, f of x is equal to tan inverse x. For tan inverse x, the domain is equal to R, set of real numbers. R is the domain, whereas the range, if f of x is equal to tan inverse x, then the range of f of x, that is tan inverse x, the range of f of x tan inverse x is equal to minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. So that's it. So if you write the domain is equal to R, and the range is equal to minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2, we will get 2 marks. That's it. Okay. So the domain is R and the range is equal to minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2 is the range. This is also a very important problem. Now let us come to the next one. Now this is from matrices. Now find the values of x, y and z from the equation. This is very simple problem. Now what is given? The given equation is given matrix 4, 3, x, 5 is equal to y, z, 1 and 5. Now by this is a matrix of order 2 rows 2 column, 2 rows 2 column, two matrices are same. By equality of matrices, now by equality of matrices you can verify just x is equal to, the value of x is 1 and the value of y is equal to, this is the value of y. So y is equal to 4 and the value of z is equal to z is equal to 3. So therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. These are the values of x, y and z. Simple, very simple problem. Just straight away looking to the problem, you can write x is equal to 1 and the value of y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. That's it. Okay. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. These are the values of x, y and z. Very simple problem. Now let us come to the next problem. Find the equation of a line joining the points. Find the equation of a line 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. So again this is from the application of determinants, the equation of a line joining the 2 points. Now for this, what is given? Let us consider, let p x comma y be any point. Let p x comma y be any point on the line. Any point on the line. Now what is given here? A is given. A is equal to 1, 2 and b is equal to 3, 6. Now let us consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2 and this is x3, y3. Okay. Now the equation of the line, is determinant x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. If you want, you can also write half into this determinant is equal to 0. If you transfer half to the right hand side, it will become 0. So therefore, I can write this as x1, x2, x3, x, y and 1. Then x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1. Then 3, 6 and 1. 3, 6 and 1 is equal to 0. Expand with respect to first row. Plus, minus and plus. What are the answers we are going to get? That is x into 2 into 1 is 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 minus y into, this is gone, 1 into 1 minus 3 ones are 3, 1 minus 3 plus 1 into this row and column is gone, 1 6 are 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. That's it. Now x into minus 4 minus y into minus 2 plus 1 into 0. So this is minus 4x minus into minus plus 2y is equal to 0. So if you want, you can divide by minus 2. Then what you will get? 2x minus y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 2x is the equation of the line. So the required equation is y is equal to 2x, or you can stop at 2x minus y is equal to 0. That's it. Very important problem. Very simple. What is the formula to find the equation of a line? x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, determinant 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. So this is from differentiations, important concept. Now what is given? The given equation is given x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. What is required to find? Dy by dx, first derivative. So now differentiating with respect to x, implicit function, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Now differentiation of x square is 2x. Again this is d by dx of x into y plus d by dx of y square is equal to 100. Now this 2x as it is. If you observe carefully, this is function of two variables x and y. So this can be differentiated using the product rule, UV method. First function x into differentiation of y is dy by dx plus second function y into differentiation of x is 1. Plus again this is function of a function, derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. See here, 2x differentiation of x square is 2x and d by dx of xy is nothing but product rule, first function into differentiation of second function is dy by dx plus y into differentiation of x is 1 plus again this is function of a function, chain rule, derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Now equate the terms containing dy by dx on one side. This is x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx and transfer the remaining variables to the right hand side. Plus 2x becomes minus 2x and plus 1y becomes minus y. So you can take the common factor, dy by dx is the common factor, dy by dx out, x plus 2y is equal to, you can take minus out, minus 2x plus y. So dy by dx is equal to minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. So therefore, the required answer dy by dx is equal to minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. That's it. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. Very simple. Just differentiation of x square is 2x. This is x, y is nothing but product rule. Two variables. First function into derivative of second function plus second function y into differentiation of x is 1. And again differentiation of y square is 2y dy by dx. Now just equate the terms containing dy by dx on one side, x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx, and transfer the remaining variables to the right hand side. Minus 2x and plus y becomes minus y. Take dy by dx common factor. X plus 2y is equal to minus sign out. 2x plus y dy by dx is equal to minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. So the required answer is minus 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. What is the, again it is differentiation, the parametric differentiation. So what is the parameter? T is the parameter. X is equal to a t square and y is equal to 2at. What is required to find is dy by dx. Now given x is equal to a t square. Now and y is equal to 2at. Now differentiating this with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t. Now what you will get? Dx by dt is equal to a into differentiation of t square is 2t. So this is 2at. Dx by dt is equal to 2at. Equation number 1. Similarly, differentiate this with respect to t. Dy by dt is equal to t, 2a constant, derivative of t is 1. So dy by dt is equal to 2a into 1 is 2a. Equation number 2. Now what is dy by dx? Now dy by dx, that is nothing but equation 2 by 1 gives dy by dx. Dy by dx is 2 by 1 gives dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? Dy by dt is 2a and divided by dx by dt is 2a into t. 2a gets cancelled. This is equal to, so therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by t. Dy by, that is dy by dt can be written as 1 by t. Okay, very simple. See here, differentiating with respect to t. This is a parametric equation. Here t is the parameter. Differentiating with respect to t. A constant, derivative of t square is 2t. This is equal to 2at. Equation number 1. 2a, differentiation of t is 1. 2a into 1 is 2. Dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt by dx by dt. That is equation 2 by 1. What is equation number 2? Do 2a. And what is equation number 1? Dy by dx divided by dx by dt. Dx by dt is 2a. 2a gets cancelled, 1 by t. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by t is the required answer. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Again this is also from derivatives. Now differentiate sine of cos x square with respect to x. Again it's a function of a function. What is given? Given y is equal to sine of cos x square. Now let us assume this as x. Now then differentiating with respect to x. Very simple problem. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine of cos x square. Now let us assume this as x. Now what is derivative of sine x? Cos x. Cos of cos x square into d by dx of inside function. What is inside function we have considered? Cos of x square. First step. See here, this is function of a function of a function, composite function. Sine of, consider this as x. Differentiation of sine x is cos x. What is x we have considered? Cos of x square. Cos of cos x square into d by dx of inside function cos of x square. Again this is same as it is, cos of cos x square into, consider this as x again. Differentiation of cos x is minus sine x square into d by dx of x square. That's it. So therefore the required answer dy by dx is equal to, you can take negative sign out, cos x square into the sine x square into derivative of x square is 2x. This is the simplified answer. That's it. So what is the differentiated answer? Minus cos of cos x square into sin x square into 2x is the required answer. See here. Consider this function as x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x instead of x entire term cos x square into d by dx of inside function cos of x square. Cos of cos x square as it is. Again this is considered as cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. What is x we have considered? X square into d by dx of x square is 2x. So the required answer is minus cos of cos x square into sin x square into 2x is the required answer. Hope you followed. Okay. Now, let us come to the next problem. Now, this is find the slope of tangent to the curve. This is again from application of derivatives. Find the slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Now, what is given? Y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at what is the point given at x is equal to 2. What is required to find the slope? What is slope? Slope is nothing but m. So, you know the geometrical meaning dy by dx is called the slope. Just differentiate dy by dx at x is equal to 2, you will get the slope. Now, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus differentiation of x is 1. Now, dy by dx at what is the point given? X is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2 at x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2. That is 3 into 2 square minus 1. This is 3 into 2 square is 4 minus 1. That is 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So, therefore, m is equal to 11 means the slope m is equal to 11. That's it. The slope of the line is m is equal to 11. That's it. See here, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus derivative of x is 1. Put x is equal to 2, 3 into 2 square is 4, 3 4s are 12 minus 1 is 11. So, m is equal to 11, the slope of the tangent to the given curve. Hope you followed this. Now, let us come to the next problem. The next problem is from integration. Now, so this is ordinary integral. Find the integral of log x whole square divided by x. Now, given equation, given integral is integral log x whole square divided by x into dx. This can be written as logarithm of x whole square into 1 over x dx. Now, let us consider this as t. You can integrate by the method of substitution. Put t is equal to log x. Now, differentiate this. dt by dx is equal to differentiation of log x is 1 over x. So, therefore, only dt is equal to 1 over x into dx. This given integral reduces to, given integral becomes log x whole square is nothing but t square into 1 over x dx. This entire quantity is equal to dt. Now, what is integral of t square? T cube by 3 plus c. Now, 1 over 3 into, substitute the value of t. What is t have taken? Log x. So, t is equal to log x whole cube plus c. So, the integrated answer is 1 over 3 log x whole cube plus c is the required answer. That's it. So, you see here, this can be done as log x whole square into 1 over x dx. Now, you can take the substitution. Put t is equal to log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 over x. So, dt is equal to 1 over x dx. The given integral reduces to log x is nothing but t square, and 1 over x dx is nothing but dt. Integral of t square is t cube by 3 plus c. Substitute the value of t is equal to log x whole cube. So, 1 by 3 log x whole cube plus c is the required answer. Okay, that's it. Now, let us come to the next problem. Question number 26. Again, this is from ordinary integrals. So, here this can also be written as integral sin square x term by term division. The given integral term by term division, sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. This is also an important problem indeed. Now, divide, cancel the terms which gets cancelled. Sin square gets cancelled. 1 over cos square is secant square x dx minus integral of cos square gets cancelled. 1 over sin square is cosecant square x dx. Now you know what is integral of secant square x is tan x minus integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c multiply by negative sign tan x minus into minus plus cot x plus c is the required answer. So the required answer is tan x plus cot x. That's it. Okay. Term by term division, sin square by sin square x into cos square x dx minus cos square x divided by sin square into cos square. Just cancel the terms which gets cancelled. Here numerator sin square, in the denominator cos square, sin square by sin square gets cancelled. 1 over cos square is secant square minus cos square and cos square gets cancelled. 1 over sin square is equal to cosecant square. Now what is integral of secant square is tan x. Integral of cosecant square is minus cot x. Minus into minus is plus. So you should be familiar with the reciprocal relation. That is 1 over sin square x. 1 over sin square is equal to cosecant square x and 1 over cos square x is equal to secant square x. So these are the reciprocal relations which we are used. Now let us come to the next problem. Question number 27. Again this is from definite integrals. Now what is given? 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Now given integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Now you are familiar with, there are two formulas. Since we know this, sin square x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x, whereas cos square x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2x. So you may get the question either on sin square or cos square. Now what is the problem given here? Integral 0 to pi by 2, this is cos square. I can use this. Cos square is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2x dx. Now 1 by 2 constant out, integrate it. Integration of dx is x and integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Sin 2x by 2 between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Since you know integration of cos ax or sin ax dx is equal to minus cos ax by a. Similarly, integration of cos ax dx is equal to sin ax by a. That is what we have used here. So integration of 1 dx is x plus integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Now let us apply the limits, upper limit and lower limit. 1 by 2 into upper limit pi by 2 plus sin of 2 times pi by 2 by 2 minus lower limit 0 plus sin of 2 into 0 is 0 divided by 2. Now simplify this. This is 1 by 2 into, now pi by 2 as it is, plus this sin pi by 2 into 2 is sin 180. Sin 180 is equal to 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Again sin 0 is also 0. This entirely becomes 0. So this is half into pi by 2. This is nothing but pi by 4. So the required answer is equal to pi by 4. That's it. Okay. See here, cos square x is nothing but half into 1 plus cos 2x. So use this formula. Integration of dx is x plus integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Apply the upper limit. Upper limit is pi by 2 plus sin into 2 times pi by 2 by 2 minus lower limit is 0 plus 2 into 0 is sin 0 by 2. Sin 0 0 and sin of pi by 2 into 2 is 180. Sin 180 is also equal to 0. Since sin 0 degree is equal to 0, sin of 180 is also equal to 0. So this is pi by 2 into 2. R2 to cancel sin pi, sin 180. Sin 180 is 0. Again minus, this is sin 0 is 0. Everything gets cancelled. It is 0. Okay. Now that is minus 0. Half into pi by 2 plus 0 minus 0 is nothing but pi by 2. Half into pi by 2 is equal to pi by 4. So the required answer is pi by 4. Right. Now let us come to the next problem. Now that is from differential equation. This is so easiest problem. Definitely you will get one question from this differential equation for 2 marks. What is the question given? Find the order and degree of the differential equation. Writing the order and degree of the differential equation. What is the given equation here? Y dash plus y is equal to e to the power of x. Now you know what is y dash, that is nothing but dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x. What is the order? Order of a differential equation is nothing but highest order derivative occur in the differential equation. What is the highest order here? Order is equal to 1. And what is the degree? The power to the highest order derivative is called the degree. Now, what is degree here? What is the power for this highest order? That is equal to 1. So, order is 1 and degree is equal to 1. So, highest order is first order derivative. Therefore, order is 1 and the power for this is 1. So, therefore, order is equal to 1 and degree is also equal to 1. So, this is important type. Definitely, you will get one question from this. Okay. Since this is of a polynomial in dy by dx, polynomial equation in dy by dx, we will get the order and degree for this differential equation. Now, let us come to the next problem. Now, the next concept is from vectors. Now, what is the problem given? Find the projection of the vector A, 2i plus 3j cap plus 2k cap on the vector B is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Now, what is given here? Vector A is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap and vector B is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. What is required to find the projection? The projection of vector A on vector B is always equal to vector A dot B divided by length of vector B. A dot B divided by length of vector B. Now, find out A dot B dot product of these two vectors, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap dot I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap dot product. Just multiply the coefficients of I and I, 2 into 1 plus j and j, 3 into 2 plus k and k, 2 into 1. See, coefficient of I is 2, here it is 1. Coefficient of j is 3, here it is 2 and coefficient of k is 2 into 1. Simplify this. This is 2 ones are 2 plus 6 plus 2, that's equal to 10. Now, find out the magnitude of vector B. So, magnitude of vector B is equal to root of 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 plus 1. So, 1 plus 4 plus 1, this is root 6. Now, what is the formula for projection? Projection of vector A on B is given by A dot B divided by length of B. A dot B, what is A dot B? 10. What is length of B? 6. So, therefore, the projection is 10 divided by root 6 is the required answer. The projection of A on B is 10 divided by root 6. Suppose if they ask find the projection of B on A means A dot B divided by length of A. Depends upon the problem like A on B and B on A. Right. Now, let us come to the next problem. What is the problem? Problem number 30. It is from again vector concept. What is the problem given? So, in this year you are going to get 2 marker questions in vectors. Okay. Now, find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given. Area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors A and B. Now, what is required to find the area of the parallelogram? Given A is equal to I minus j plus 3k and vector B is equal to 2i minus 7j plus k. What is required to find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given? Area of parallelogram whenever the adjacent sides are given is length of A cross B, the vector product. Now, find out A cross B. What is A cross B? That is nothing but determinant I, j and k. Write down the coefficients 1, minus 1, 3 and the coefficients of I, j, k cap in vector B is 2, minus 7 and 1, 2, minus 7 and 1. Simplify, plus, minus and plus. I into 1 ones are 1, minus into minus plus, 7 3s are 21, minus j into this is gone, 1 ones are 1, minus 2 3s are 6, plus k cap into this is deleted, 1 into 7 is minus 7, minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. So, this can be written as I into 21 minus 1 is 20, minus j into 1 minus 6 is minus 5 plus k cap into minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. So therefore, a cross b vector a cross b is equal to 20i minus into minus plus 5j minus into plus it is minus 5k. Now write down the magnitude of this length of a cross b is equal to root of 20 square, 20 into 20, 400 plus 25 square is 25, again minus 5 square is plus 25, 400 plus 25 plus 25 is 450. 450. So therefore the area of triangle is equal to area of a parallelogram is equal to square root of 450 square units. That's it. So the area for the required parallelogram is length of a cross b, that is nothing but square root of 450. That's it. Okay. See, just find out the vector product a cross b and the magnitude vector product a cross b is nothing but the determinant I j k, coefficients of I j cap k cap in the vector a and vector b, 1 minus 1 3, 2 minus 7, and expand with respect to first row, you will get the equation, that is the vector 20i minus into minus plus 5j minus 5k. Find out the cross product to length of a cross b, 400 plus 25 plus 25, that's equal to 450. This is 450. 450. So therefore length of a cross b is equal to 450 square units. Right. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Question number 31. So this is from 3D geometry. Find the intercept cuts off by the plane. So intercepts cuts off by the plane. Now you know the standard equation of a line in the intercept form. The equation of the line in intercept form, equation of line in intercept form is, this is the standard equation, x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Now let us convert this equation into this form. What is given here? Given equation is, what is given equation? 2x plus y minus z is equal to 5. Now let us convert this into the standard form. What is the right hand side? We have 1 on the right hand side. So therefore divide this equation by, divide by 5 on both sides. If we divide by 5 on both sides, 2x by 5 plus y divided by 5 minus z divided by 5 is equal to 5 by 5. Right. Now this can be written as x divided by 5 by 2. Bring this to the denominator. See, x by 5 by 2 means this 2 goes to the numerator. 2x by 5 plus this is same y by 5. This can be written as plus z divided by minus 5 is equal to 5 by 5 is 1. Now comparing with, if we compare with the standard equation, comparing with, what is the standard equation? X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. So x intercept a is 5 by 2, y intercept b is 5, and the z intercept c is equal to minus 5. That's it. So therefore the intercept, therefore x intercept is a, that is equal to 5 by 2. Y intercept is nothing but 5, and z intercept is equal to minus 5. So these are the intercept. You can also consider this as a, b and c. So x intercept is 5 by 2, y intercept is 5, z intercept is minus 5. This much if you do, you will get 2 much. Very easy. Just divide by whatever the value other than 1 on the right hand side, you will get the answer. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. 32nd problem. Again it is from 3-dimensional geometry. Find the distance of the point minus 6, 0, 0 from the plane 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, now what is the given point? Given P. minus 6, 0 and 0. Let us consider this as x1, y1 and z1. Now what is the line? 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 2 is equal to 0. That is 2x minus 3y plus 6z is equal to 2. This is of the form comparing with ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. Now what is a here? A is 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 6 and d is equal to. Now there is a formula to find the distance of the point x1, y1, z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz is equal to d is distance d is equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula. So the distance d is equal to, what is a? A is 2 into x1 is minus 6 plus b is minus 3 into y1 is 0 plus c is 6 into z1 is 0 into 6 minus d is equal to 2 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Square root of a square, 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9 minus into minus plus 6 square 36. So therefore the distance d is equal to minus 12 minus 0 minus 2 divided by root of 36 plus 4 is 40 plus 9 is 49. So this is minus 14 divided by square root of 49 is 7. This is equal to minus 2. Since you can take the mod out, this is equal to 2. So the distance d is equal to, if you take mod, minus becomes plus, d is equal to 2. So the distance is 2. That's it. Okay. So just keep in mind, the distance of any point P x1, y1, z1 to the line ax plus by plus cz is equal to d is given by d is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. That will give the answer as 2. Okay, very simple, right? Hope you followed. Let us come to the last question in part B. The last question is definitely from probability. The last chapter is probability. Here the problem given is from probability. The random variable x has a probability distribution p of x for the following, from the following, where k is some number constant. Find the value of k. What is given? Probability distribution of x. When x is equal to 0, p of x is k. When x is equal to 1, p of x is 2k. When x is equal to 2, p of x is 3k and 0 otherwise. Now what is given here? Given, yes, at x is equal to 0, p of x, that is nothing but p of x is equal to 0 is equal to k. Then at x is equal to 1, f of x is nothing but f of x, x is equal to 1. What is x is equal to 1? 2k. And f of x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is equal to 3k and 0 otherwise. So therefore this can be written as, the probability distribution is like this: x 0 1 2 0 1 2 and then p of x, that is f of x. F of x is equal to, yes, k 2k, yes, k 2k and 3k. And what is other condition? 0 otherwise. So otherwise means it is 0. This is the probability distribution. Now therefore, since what is required to find is the value of k. Now we know the formula for this. Now we know the formula, sigma p of x is equal to 1. Right? Sigma p of x is equal to 1. What is p of x? That is nothing but k plus 2k plus 3k is equal to 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6k is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1 by 6. So therefore, the required answer k is equal to 1 by 6. That's it. Very simple. This is a probability distribution table. When it is 0, it is k. When x is equal to 1, p of x is 2. When x is equal to 2, p of x is k. 0 otherwise. So we know sigma p of x is equal to 1. That is k plus 2k plus 3k is equal to 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6k is equal to 1 means k is equal to 1 by 6. That's it. Okay. So these are the questions for 2 markers in part B. In 2 marks, you are going to answer for only 10 questions. Okay. Now just choose the easiest and the perfect familiar questions and solve it. Okay. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept. In the different concept in the sense, let us meet with the 3 mark questions in the next session. Don't miss and watch the class. That's all for today's session. Let us meet with 3 mark questions in the next session. Thank you very much.